What's up, guys? All right, we just got in a brand new bike, and it's our first 2021 beta. It's a 2021 300RR. So let's get this crate open and see what it looks like. Oh, 2021 beta! Looking fresh with the black and red scheme. Sick. Alright guys, you ready for this? And boom. 2021 300RR. So the 2021 models are pretty much unchanged. I know they strengthened the subframe, and they changed something about the way the side panels mounted to the subframe for increased strength. They also changed something with the seat foam and seat base. And then I think the only other changes, besides the look, or the shim stacks and the forks and shock. So, man, this thing does look sharp though, doesn't it? I have to be honest, when it's new, I love the look of these white radiator guards, but I just know they would be brown first ride without a doubt. So many cool things about the betas that I like, especially the push button seat release. I like the Sherco too, where it's on top and it just twists, but then this is really nice as well. This is probably my favorite looking beta ever. I like color. If it's a KTM, I like as much orange as possible, and they just threw so much red on here. It's like, it just screams Italy. And it's a few different shades of red, obviously, because you've got almost like a flow red with the plastics and a darker red with the powder coating and an anodized red on the shock, but I don't care. It still looks good. It looks classy. It's sharp. Just a good looking machine. I don't know if it's demand or production issues, but these bikes are going to be hard to find this year. If you go on Beta's website, it straight up tells you that due to demand with these bikes, they're not available for the Build Your Own Beta program, so you have to contact your dealer. This is the only one we have here at AOMC right now, so if you're interested in it, I believe it's still available. It's not spoken for yet, so message me down below, or just give us a ring and we'll get you set up. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and for you beta guys, I will see you in the next video when one of the 2021 4-strokes arrives, hopefully. Later.